Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this new video. Guys, today I'm here to explain you about shopmocker.com reviews. Guys, in this video I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. And if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So this is the homepage of the site, guys, and you can see this is a site which is based in United States that deals with multiple theme based face masks including female and men face mask, American bulldog mask, liger mask, mocker gift card, and bad masker male face mask. So these are the theme based face masks that they are offering, and the prices are too good to be true. Now guys, talking about the payment information, so let's check out the payment info of the site. So you can see the modes of payment available on the site are MX, Apple Pay, GPay, JCB, MasterCard, Visa, etc. Now guys, talking about shipping or delivery information, let's check out the delivery information, and you need to visit the FAQ section, and here you can see they have mentioned that your order will ship in approximately 3 weeks. So this was the shipping information, guys. Guys, before going further, I request you all to like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel, and this will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos for you. Guys, let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this site as a scam or legit website. This site is using a valid and secure HTTPS connection, which is a good sign, but we need to explore various factors that can define this website's legitimacy, and domain creation age factor is one of the biggest factors that can define a particular website's legitimacy. So talking about this domain creation date, guys, the domain name was created on 12th of July 2020. This means that the site is an old website and it may be a legit website. So let's check out the about us page, about us information. So you can see they have provided about us information including the brand connection info or owner names, and this is a good sign, but they have not provided information related to business establishment year, which is a negative sign. But however, they have provided about us information, which is a good sign. Now talking about contact details, guys, you can see they have not provided the complete contact details including contact number and official address, but yes, they have provided the email address, which is contact@shopmocker.com, which matches with the domain name, which is a good sign. And talking about social media presence, guys, you can see the site has social media presence on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. They have created their social media accounts on these social media platforms, which is a good sign. Now guys, talking about return policy of the site, let's check out the return or refund policy. So you can see they have mentioned that due to the personalized nature of this product, we can't accept returns or issue refunds. So guys, do comment about your experience regarding the return or refund of the product if you have, because it will give benefit to other customers while reviewing a website or making any online purchase. Now talking about shopmocker.com reviews, guys, we have found no customer reviews on the internet, but yes, we have found various positive reviews on the official website. You can take a look here. One of the customers said, "Awesome mask. I have got friends that wanted the info to order. I sent them your link. Thank you." Another customer said, "The funniest thing ever. So much fun hearing people to put my mask back up. Lol. Can't wait to buy more." So they have mentioned the positive comment on the official website, which seems to be legit, guys, but we can't assure you regarding these genuine customer reviews because we are not able to find the exact or accurate verified IDs of these customers. So now guys, talking about the trust index score, the trust index score of the site is 1%, which is really very bad. So guys, talking about this unbiased review, we can say there are so many loopholes as well, and there are some positive signs as well. So in the final conclusion, I would say this website appears to be legit, but we can't claim it purely legit website on the basis of these official customer official websites customer reviews, because we are not able to find more customer reviews on other platforms. So this is a indicator here that can define or that can make a confusion regarding the legitimacy of this site. So guys, it's totally up to you. You can make a wise decision before making any online purchase. If you want to invest your money on good products or worth it products, then please explore the entire information before making any online purchase. And if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video guys, because we read all your comments over every video. So guys, hit the like button, share the video with your friends, and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. And thanks for giving your precious time guys. Have a good day.